Children, now we are going to see about this 10th standard social, that is history, 6th lesson, unit 6, that is yearly revolt against British rule in India. In this we saw about previously, we saw about the Palyakarars, that is the Palyakarars rule in India, that is especially in Tamil Nadu, and the wars between the Palyakarars and British we saw, and the Palyakarar Pulithevar, then Velu Nachiyar, then Veerapandiya Kattabomman of Panchalankuruchi, okay, and Veerapandiya Kattabomman's brothers Oomathurai and Savataya. All these we saw in the previous classes, and now today we are going to see about this Marudu brothers, understand, and Marudu Pandyas, they are called as Marudu brothers, they are called as Marudu Pandyas. Here there were two brothers, they are Periya Marudu and Chinna Marudu. Periya Marudu is otherwise called as Vella Marudu. Periya Marudu and Chinna Marudu. Periya Marudu is otherwise called as Vella Marudu, and his younger brother, he was called as Chinna Marudu. Understand? Both of them, they were the generals under Muthu Vaduganadhar of Sivagangai. In the previous classes, I told you that Sivagangai was ruled by Muthu Vaduganadhar, and during the war, he was killed by the Britishers, and this Marudu brother, they made Velu Nachiyar, the wife of Muthu Vaduganadhar, as a queen of Sivagangai. That all we saw in the previous classes. And now today we are going to see about this Marudu brothers. They were called as Marudu Pandyas. Understand? Two brothers, Periya Marudu and Chinna Marudu. Okay. These two brothers, they were the ministers under Muthu Vaduganadhar of Sivagangai. Understand? And after Muthu Vaduganadhar's death in Kalayar Koyil ஒரு war நடந்தது between Muthu Vaduganadhar and Britishers. Understand? He was died in that, and this Marudu brothers, with the help of the Marudu brothers, they made this Velu Nachiyar, the queen of Muthu Vaduganadhar, as a queen of this, what we can say, which place? Sivagangai. Okay, and so this Marudu brothers, slowly they started to agitated against the British. Along with this, Kattabomman's brothers Oomathurai and Savataya, both of them also joined with this Marudu Pandyas, Marudu brothers, and they plundered the granaries of the Nawab of Arcot. Understand? The Nawab, he was friend of the British East India Company. Okay, so this Marudu brothers and the brothers of Kattabomman, everybody they joined and they plundered the granaries of, granary na enna pillingla, crops alla seethu vappangalla, understand that place. So they plundered the granary of the Nawab, and also they caused many damages to the company's troops, the British East India Company's troops. Okay, now we are going to see the rebellion of the Marudu brothers. What was the rebellion they made against the British rule? Here, despite of the suppression of the Kattabomman's death, after the death of Kattabomman, this Marudu brothers, they agitated, they started the rebellion against the Britishers in the year 1800. Understand? This was called as the Second Palayakarar War. First Palayakarar war yaroda nadandana Kattabomanoda. Understand? This war is called as Second Palayakarar war. Understand? Idhila they made this Marudu brother, they made one confederacy. Confederacy means பக்கத்துல இருந்த அந்த பாளையக்காரரோட வேற கிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருப்பாங்கல்ல, அவங்க கூட என்ன குரூப் ஜாயின் பண்றது. அதுல அந்த குரூப்ல யாருன்னா இருந்தாங்கன்னு வில் சி. ஓகே, ஐ வில் ரீட் அவுட் தென். கோபால நாயக் ஆஃப் திண்டுக்கல், Gopala Nayak of Dindukal, Kerala Varma of Malabar, Krishnappa Nayak and Dundaji of Mysore. Okay, so they all join together and they meet at Virupachi. யாரெல்லாம் அதில் இருந்தாதாங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம் நம்ம. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கோபால நாயக் ஆஃப் திண்டுக்கல், கேரளவர்மன் ஆஃப் மலபார் அண்ட் தேர்ட் கிருஷ்ணப்ப நாயக், அப்புறம் இன்னொருத்தர் யார், தூந்தாஜி. போத் ஆஃப் தெம் தே பிலாங் டு மைசூர். ஸோ இவங்க 4 பேரும் சேர்ந்து கூட யாரும் இருந்தாங்க, மருது பிரதர்ஸ் அண்ட் கட்டபொம்மனோட பிரதர்ஸ். ஸோ தே மீட் அட் விருப்பாட்சின்ற இடத்துல மீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு they started the uprising. First the uprising was started in Coimbatore. Understand? The rebellion was started in 1800 and a group of confederacy, they made the confederacy with other palayakaras, with palayams, other palayams. Understand? And first they meet at Virupachi and they first started the rebellion. They started the rebellion in Coimbatore. First எங்க rebellion start ஆச்சுன்னு பார்க்குறோம். It was started in first, the rebellion was started in Coimbatore. Understand? Then it spread to Ramanathapuram and Madurai. Next it spread to Ramanathapuram and Madurai. Understand? During this time, this company, they heard about this Krishnappa Nayak of Mysore. Thus, they heard about the confederacy of this Marudu Pandiyar and this East India Company, the Britishers. They attacked Krishnappa Nayak of Mysore, Kerala Varma of Malabar and others. In the group, Britishers on the attack பண்றாங்க. And the Palayakaras of Coimbatore, Satyamangalam, Tarapuram were caught and hanged. In this Palayakarar war, the Palayakaras were defeated and Coimbatore Palayakarar, then Tarapuram and Satyamangalam, அதில் இருந்த அந்த பாளையக்காரர் ரூலர்ஸ் இருந்தாங்கல்ல, they were caught by the Britishers and they were hanged. Understand? And in February 1801, that is 1801, the two brothers of Kattabomman, Umaithurai and Sevathaiya, they escaped from the Palayamkottai prison to Kamudi. அவங்க எங்கே போயிட்டாங்க, எங்கே ஓடிட்டாங்க, பாளையங்கோட்டை பிரிசன்லேருந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆகிட்டு they went to Kamudi and they saw this Chinnamarudu and they took this Chinnamarudu took them and they were exiled. எங்கே போயிட்டாங்க, தங்கியிருந்தாங்களா, சிறுவாயல், his capital. Understand? Chinnamarudu கிட்ட வந்துட்டாங்க. Okay, the fort of Palayamkurichi was again reconstructed by this Marudu Pandiyar. So this time this British troops were headed by Colin Macaulay. What was his name? Colin Macaulay. He retook the fort in the month of April and the Marudu brothers sought shelter in Sivagangai. Again அவங்கெல்லாம் எங்கே போயிட்டாங்க, they went to Sivagangai. Understand? And this English East India Company, they forced this Marudu brother to give this hand over the fugitive, that is the ஊமைத்துறையும் செவத்தையா கட்டபொம்மனோட பிரதர்ஸில் அவங்க 2 பேரையும் எங்ககிட்ட நீங்கள் ஹேண்ட் ஓவர் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்ட்டு the British, they asked this Marudu brothers, but this Marudu brothers, they refused to hand over Sevathaiya and Umaithurai. So this time Colonel Agnew and Colonel Innes marched on Sivagangai. இவங்க 2 பேரும் பிரிட்டிஷ் ஆர்மி எடுத்துக்கிட்டு இந்த கொலோனல் 2 பேரும் they attacked, they marched to Sivagangai. And in June 1801, the Marudu Pandiyas issued a proclamation that we got independence. This proclamation was called as Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. In the year 1801, the Tiruchirappalli Proclamation was announced by this Marudu brothers. Understand? Tiruchirappalli Proclamation. அண்ட் அதில் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, we got the independence, understand, so we won't be under the control of the Britishers அப்படின்னு they said. And they called all the பாளையக்காரர்ஸ் to unite with them. எல்லா அதர் பாளையக்காரர்ஸ்லாம் இருப்பாங்கல்ல, the leaders. So this மருது brothers, they called all the பாளையக்காரர்ஸ் to unite with them and without any caste creed, எந்த கேஸ்டாக இருந்தாலும், எந்த creed கலர், எவ்வளோ பவர்ஃபுல்லாக, எவ்வளோ ஆர்மி இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, we all will join together, will fight against this British East India Company. அதனால நமக்குள்ளே என்ன இருக்கணும், கோஆப்ரேஷன், we should be united அப்படின்னு they called other பாளையக்காரர்ஸ் also, understand. And they took 2 copies of this Tiruchirappalli proclamation. 2 copies எடுத்து, 1 copy they pasted on the wall of Nawab's palace. அந்த ஆர்காட் நவாப் இருக்கால, அவரோட பேலஸில் they pasted 1 copy and another copy they pasted on the Srirangam temple, understand. This Tiruchirappalli proclamation, 2 copies they took and they were pasted on Nawab's palace. One was on Nawab's palace and another one pasted on Srirangam temple. ஸோ அந்த டெம்பிளுக்கு வரவங்களாம் கண்டிப்பாக என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, they can see this proclamation, இல்லை, understand, of this Marudhu brothers. Okay, so they pasted this Srirangam temple. So on seeing this, many Palayakaras of Tamil country, they joined with the Marudhu brothers, and this Chinna Marudhu irundarla, second brother, he collected 20,000 soldiers, understand, and challenged the British army. And this Britishers, அவங்க பார்த்தாங்க இவங்க எல்லாம் ஒன்றா ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க அப்படின்றதுனால, the Britishers, they called their friends, எங்கேருந்தெல்லாம் கூப்பிட்டாங்க, from Bengal, from Ceylon and Malaya. So they are called all the armies from Bengal, Malaya and Ceylon, understand. And apart from this, the Raja of Pudukottai and Ettayapuram and Tanjavur, அவங்களும் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, they were loyal to the British. அவங்க நாங்கள் மருது பிரதர்ஸ் கூட சேர மாட்டோம், நாங்கள் பாளையக்காரர், அவங்க they were பாளையக்காரர்ஸ் only, but they are not on cooperation on the side of Marudhu brothers, and they joined with the English. They were loyal to the Britishers, understand. So the Britishers made the divide and rule policy. அப்படின்னா இந்த பாளையக்காரர்ஸையே என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, 2 டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இந்த மருது பிரதர் இவங்கெல்லாம் ஒன்றா இருந்தாங்க, இந்த எட்டயபுரம், தஞ்சாவூர், புதுக்கோட்டை, அந்த ராஜாலாம் தனியாயிட்டாங்க, அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட், பாளையக்காரர்லாம் தனியாயிட்டாங்க. ஸோ தே ஃபாலோட் த பாலிசி ஆஃப் டிவைட் அண்ட் ரூல். நவ் ஃபால் ஆஃப் சிவகங்கை, எப்படி இந்த வார் எப்படி முடிஞ்சுது, டீக்ளைன் ஆச்சு, எப்படி இந்த பாளையக்காரர் வாஸ் கேம் டு பி டீக்ளைன், வில் see it now. In May 1801, the English attacked the rebels in Tanjavur and Tiruchirappalli. Both the places the British they attack. The rebels went to Peeranmalai and Kalayar Koil. அங்கே இந்த ரிபல்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்க, they escaped from Tanjavur and Tiruchirappalli and they went to escape to Peeranmalai and Kalayar Koil. And there they were defeated by the English force, and in the end of that, the superior military, the strength, the Britishers, they were very able commanders, understand, able ministers. அந்த ஆர்மியே பார்த்தோன்னா அந்த பிரிட்டிஷர்ஸ்க்கு they were much a great army. ஸோ அந்த கிரேட் ஆர்மிக்கு முன்னாடி திஸ் பாளையக்காரர்ஸோட ஆர்மி வந்து என்ன பண்ண முடியல, they can't able to fight against the Britishers. So the rebellion failed. So the பாளையக்காரர்ஸ் were defeated and the Marudhu brothers were executed on the fort of Tirupattur near Ramanathapuram on 24th October 1801. This கட்டபொம்மன்ஸோட பிரதர் இருந்தாங்களே, ஊமைத்துறை அண்ட் செவத்தையா, they were beheaded at பாஞ்சாலம் குறிச்சி. அந்த இடத்துலையே வச்சு beheaded பண்ணிட்டாங்க அவங்கள பாஞ்சாலம் குறிச்சியில். ஓகே, and more than that 73 rebels were captured and they were sent to Malaya. மலேயாக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஓகே, as a what we can say, as a slaves. Okay, and though the Palayakarar were defeated and they fell into the hands of the Britishers, the rebellion was a very important rebellion in the history of Tamilagam, and the courage of Marudhu brothers, it was very much be brave. On seeing the braveness of this Marudu brothers, many nationalism, that is many people, they started this nationalism, and many people, they got patriotism in the patriotism was started in the minds of the people. Understand? So next one, Carnatic Treaty in 1801. This suppression of the Palakkara rebellion, the local chieftain, avanga kuda the British East India Company, they made one treaty. That treaty was called as Carnatic Treaty. Say all of you, Carnatic Treaty. In the year 1801, the Britishers, they made this Carnatic na Tamilagam, understand? This Carnatic Treaty along with the other chieftains, those who ruled the small kingdoms, understand? And they assumed Tamilagam should be under the control of the Britishers only, and all other, the Palakkara system was abolished. So the leaders and the rajas of the small kingdoms, they have to pay tribute. Tribute means revenue. Tribute to the government. அப்படின்றத அவங்க கொண்டு வந்துட்டாங்க. Can you able to follow then? Then we'll go on to Veeran Chinnamalai and the Vellore revolt in the next class. Thank you children. Bye.